it's Laura. I'm answering another online question from you, and this one is a great one. How do I make a homemade pizza dough for dinner tonight? I've got a great recipe for that. It's a no yeast pizza dough. Let's get started. It's so easy. 2½ cups of flour mixed with 2 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. That's my dry ingredient mixture. Then I add 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oil. I stir it until it forms a ball. Knead this for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I like to bake this in a cast iron pan. I line the pan with olive oil, and then I knead the dough right into it, pushing it up against the cast iron skillet all the way to the edges. Put your favorite toppings on top and bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 25 minutes. And there you have a no yeast, fresh homemade pizza dough and a great tasting pizza for dinner tonight.